Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can block or how you can stop notification from your Temu account or your app. Very simple and easy. So to do this, just hop on your account here and then you move to your profile, something like this. So on here I just need to tap on the settings button here at the corner and then you can see notifications here. So on here you can change all the notifications. They have a lot of settings here. You just have to change it. So you can see here, if you had a phone number or if I had a phone number on this account, they're going to send me messages through that phone number as well. So they're asking me to submit a phone number. But then you can see here other updates and the rest. They are going to send me all this in my email. You can see here. So chat messages will be sent to my email, customer activity will be sent to my email, and blah 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 will be sent to my email. So you just need to you need to change this, which is promotions. I think chat messages, other updates, customer activity is much important, but then promotions is not really important to me. So you just need to edit it, you get it, and you turn them all off, something like that. Yeah, good to go. So that's it on how you can turn off unnecessary notifications on the Temu app. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.